Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the market for gold and crude oil from 17th till 18th August. I have changed my channel name from 101 to Trader Ali. Okay, so let's begin. We are currently on an 4-hourly chart for the gold, and as expected, we have seen a break through this resistance trend line. And we can also spot a descending channel being formed. Moreover, the current fundamentals in the market are that we can see that the China has been backing up from the trade deal and the more talking on the phase 1 of the trade deal between US and China. And we can also see that the US is taking steps backwards on the trade deal talks, and we can see that they are postponed for the after the elections, after the US presidential elections. Thus there will be no trade deal implementations of phase 1 up till the elections are held. Moreover, we can see that the Chinese stocks are doing really well in China. However, in US, such stocks such as Alibaba are still under pressure. That may create uncertainty within the investors. Moreover, we can see that the market has broke this resistance zone on a positive note, and we can see that the market has been trying to retest this critical area. Thus, we would be looking to go long on a gold on a retest some around 1947 with our take profit of recent highs, which would be some around 1964, with our stop losses just placed below the recent lows some around 1927. This trade will give an extra reward approx 1:1. Moreover, we can also draw a support trend line. Let me redraw that so we can accurately and more precisely put our stop losses and entry trigger points. Thus, this would be our support trend line. Going on in a smaller time frame on a 2-hourly chart to analyze it. Here on a 2-hourly chart, we can see that the market has break through this resistance trend line, and we have seen it touch towards some around 1946. Now let me remove my descending channel, and this is the support trend line which we can identify, and this would be a great area to go along, which would be some around 1940 till 1936. Moreover, we can also highlight our take profit area, which would be this resistance trend line, which would be some around here. And some around here. Thus now we can see that we are currently in the mid of this ascending channel, and we can either go on higher high or a lower low. Thus we would be giving both opportunities where we can trigger a sale position and also a long position or a buy position. For a occasion that we see a sell off in the market for the gold, as we usually saw these kind of small corrections or these healthy corrections being formed on Monday and Tuesday. Thus this would be a great area to go long, which is some around 1947, and we would be potentially looking to go long around 1947 with our stop losses placed some around 1914 and our take profit of this resistance zone, which is some around 1975. Keep in mind this isn't a intraday trade, and this would be an swing trade. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.28. However, we can also place our stop loss much closer, which would be somewhere around 1927. However, I will be preferable, or it would be a preferable, place your stop loss somewhere around 1914. Moreover, in a scenario that we see a higher high move in the market rather than going insane, and or we see that the market has retested this resistance area, thus we would be potentially looking for a reversal sign such as bearish pennant, uh, a reversal signs such as candlestick patterns such as spinning top, or such as hanging man, or shooting star, or we would be looking for the market to close some around, or we would be looking that the market drag its price below this resistance zone. Thus, this would be a great area to go short on the market for the gold, and this area would be some around 1971 after retesting this resistance zone. Thus, this would confirm that we can see a potential reversal. Thus, our take profit would be this support zone, which is some around 19, 19 1954, with our stop losses just placed above the resistance zone, which would be some around 1985. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.14. One more reason me placing my take profit on this support zone is that we can also see that this area has been crucial, and we have seen, let me highlight the zone so we will. Moreover, this is the range which would start somewhere around 1940, 1953, will end somewhere around 1960. Thus, we can see that this range is a crucial range. Whenever the market tested this range, we have seen a sale off. Once again, when the market tested the range, we have seen a sale off. And again, we can potentially see that the market has been testing this range, and we can potentially see a descending or a downwards momentum entering in the market, retesting the support zone or a higher high move. Thus, both trade opportunities are explained. If the market tested this resistance, we would be going short, take profit, entry triggers point, and the stop loss are shown. However, if we see a bearish momentum entering in the market, that the entry trigger point is previously shown, the take profit and the stop loss are also shown. Coming on the crude oil, here we can see an ascending channel being formed, and this would be the support trend line of that channel. We can currently see that the market has been taking the support, and we can expect an higher high move after testing this support zone. Moreover, the resistance zone would be some around here. Let me redraw that. Be some around like this. And this would be the above resistance. This would be a great area to go long. Here we can see that the market tested this resistance, and we have seen a healthy correction from some around $42.38 to some around $41.85. Thus, this would be a great area to go long some around $41.88, with our stop losses just placed below the recent lows, which were this, which were $40.89 till some around $41.14. Thus, moreover, we can see that our stop loss are placed below this support and resistance zone. Here, the zone has acted as an resistance when the market tested, and when the market retested after breaking through this support zone, the resistance zone, this range became a major support Moreover, we have seen that the market has been respecting this particular area. Whenever the market tested this, the market gain or fuel up, we whether see a reversal, some around here we have seen, or we see a higher high move. Thus, our stop losses would be just placed below this particular zone. Our entry trigger point would be some around $41.88 with our stop loss placed some around $40.77 and our take profit would be of this recent highs, which would be some around $43 and $43.41. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1 ratio 1.36. Moreover, we can also spot a symmetrical triangle being formed. This would be the resistance. This would be the above resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and this would be the support. However, and in case we see that the market break through this support zone, we can potentially see a reversal after this support, after the testing of this support zone. Thus, our stop losses would be placed below this support zone as in an area some around here. Let me highlight that. In an area some around here, we have seen that the market has fake breakout. However, we have seen a reversal upside. Thus, we would not be trading any sales short. However, we would only and only be going for a long or buy long or long position either on this support zone. That would be an ideal position. However, if we see a break through this, do not panic. We would be adding up long some around this support zone, and then we can expect an higher high move in the market. If you like the video, do like, share, and comment below. And if you're new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.